Hi, I'm Joe Barnard, Director of National Programs for Pro Defender. I'm here today to walk you through how legal malpractice insurers determine your rates. Rates can be shocking to many attorneys. The fact is, there are only a few key things that influence what kind of rate you can get for any given policy. New attorneys pay less for malpractice insurance than experienced attorneys. The difference is that malpractice claims against an attorney can come up months or years after the event. That means that an insurer covering the attorney in her third year of practice is taking on more risk than one covering a new attorney simply because the experienced attorney has been practicing longer, exposing her to greater risk. Insurers base premiums for firms in part on the number of attorneys they insure. The more attorneys on a policy, the better the per attorney rate should be. Some areas of law expose attorneys to higher levels of risk than others. Each area of practice is assigned its own risk factor. Firms practicing in multiple areas of law are given a weighted average depending on what proportion of the practice is devoted to each practice area. Lawyers who practice in higher risk areas must take certain factors into account when choosing coverage limits. While a criminal defense attorney may get by with a limit of liability of $100,000 per claim, $300,000 per year, a lawyer working in intellectual property will likely need more protection with a policy that carries much higher limits of liability. The higher your limits of liability, the higher the premium. If you're ready to shop for legal professional liability insurance, contact Pro Defender. We can help you understand what levels of coverage you need and get the best rates on a policy that protects your assets and your professional reputation.